Hi everyone, my name is Arvin Olano and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, nobody asked, but I am vlogging for the next 3 days and we are going to Sugar Hill, Georgia. We are going to get the MTI bath experience. We're gonna go see some really beautiful bathtubs and I might need your help on picking one for the bathroom project. So, let's go. I'm running late. Andrew's already calling me. Let me get my bags. Oh my goodness, okay.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your
We're in
name.
Atlanta, you guys. I'm here with Paula. She is the MTI rep, and we are in what house is this? Oh, there we go. And that was Thomas. Apparently, it's the Southeastern Designer Show House. You guys, this house, just a modest 8,800 square feet. Small, not too big.
Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you.
Right by Catherine. Oh my
Get to know you.
That's the front door. Alright, so let me explain it all to you now, guys. Okay, so, sorry. Yeah, it's about the nicest house you'll see.
I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night?
Okay, we take things to a whole other level. I'm about to show you a bunch of things that you don't see and what we do. We did the whole subway stuff. This kitchen, what's interesting, these are all little things that you might miss or whatever and everybody thinks in Atlanta everything happened back to trends. Everything has to be 3cm.
I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to.
Open shelving right here. So you see it's just kind of open, shows all the kind of stuff. That's not going away. It's gorgeous. This stuff is a trend that's going to stay.
Right.
Want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
I'm not even vlogging anymore, you guys. I'm just I'm taking it all
starting here,
in.
this-
And on each side. And so each, like there's Mommy, we're home. Yes. We just got to the house.
We just got to the MTI house and let me show you my bedroom. Okay, so my suite has its own little sitting area. Very traditional in here. Very like vintage cabin cottage vibe. Let me show you the star of the room though, which is the bathtub. It's kind of like a beautiful terracotta color. Let me look at this view. Hold on. Okay, how do I do it? Oh, okay. Here we go, here we go. Ooh. Yes, we're definitely gonna be taking a bath here. Look at that, and this has jets. So I believe they said they have some essential oils. I should have brought my essential oils. Dang it, I know I forgot something, but apparently I got the best room because it has its own little suite sitting area. Okay, you know, red is not my color, but we're gonna make it work. I feel very homey. Okay, and then my view, look at my view. Yes! Good morning. It is day 2. I'm about to get ready because we have a full day ahead of us. I'm gonna go draw myself a bath. It's really early. Let me turn on the light. It's really early, but it's perfect time for me to just relax and get my day started.
Look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. Look at me like I'm different.
So this bathtub has the air bath therapy, and it feels like you are taking a hot bath in a hot spring, and that was the technology that they described to us during the presentations, and it is so nice, you guys. It really just feels like a gentle massage on your body. We're getting ready to we're getting ready to do a quick presentation. We just ate breakfast. How was breakfast, Camille? Did you like it?
It was really good.
The smoked was good. The smoked Gouda cheese. We are at the MTI showroom here in Georgia, and we're just gonna take a look at some of the bathtubs that they offer.
Have you ever sold these? We usually just sell
This one is the Juliet. I think it's one of my favorites. Look at the shape. I feel like it totally matches what I'm going for in the house. We have these. We have that. They have the sinks here.
We can do these vanities as well in increments of 6 inches, so they start out.
It's a little dark, but I just got ready for dinner wearing the same Izumiyaki pants I wore this morning. Same sneakers. I just threw on a Gucci blazer. This is the one I always wear. This mauve color is my favorite. We're going to dinner now, and I thought we could do a little cute moment.
Give me love, give me all your love.
Good morning. It is day 3. I just got ready. We had to pack all of our bags super early today. It's almost 7 a.m. and we are going to tour one last building in the MTI plant, and it is, I believe, where all of the sculpture stone bathtubs, their boutique bathtubs, are handmade. I think I've narrowed down my 2 choices for my bathtub selection for the bathroom, for my bathroom, and I'm going to show you here in a second, and I need your help to kind of sound off in the comments. Let me know which one you would see in my home that resonates with my style. I believe Russell Adams, the president of MTI, is going to be giving the tour today, and we actually went live yesterday on Instagram, which is just so awesome. If you were there, thank you so much. Let me know what you thought about the live in the comments. Okay, let's take a look at option number 1 for my bathroom, and it is the Cascara bathtub. This one is so beautiful. It's almost like the shape of an egg. I'm gonna try to stand up so I can show you. Do you see that? It's a little bit thicker over here, it's thin over that way, and it just looks so nice. Let me see if I can try it on really quick. Really quick. And don't worry, we're gonna clean all the bathtubs before we head out, so I mean, that's just nice, putting your head at like the foot of this thicker edge. This one is just a soaker, so there's no jets. It's just simple. Okay, let me show you option number 2. All right, this is option number 2. This is the Juliet tub. I believe this is the larger size. They can do accessories like a little table stool. They have the pillows, but the Juliet has this kind of organic, asymmetrical shape. Again, it's made of the sculpture stone, so very luxurious. This one has the air bath, which is kind of like bathing in a hot spring. So that's option number 2. Okay, so if you can sound off down below in the comments, let me know which bathtub you liked better for me and my style. Do you like Cascara, option number 1, or Juliet? There she is. Juliet, option number 2. We just walked into one of their buildings, and this is such a treat. I love seeing the behind the scenes of how everything is made. So here in this area, we have all the molds. I'm gonna flip you around. The crew is already walking up front, but this is so awesome. This is how their bathtubs get made. So they have the molds, they pour the sculpture stone, everything that they would need, and then it gets baked, finished, and like hand finished actually. We see the Bowie down here. This is awesome. They were very kind enough to let me film in here, which is awesome.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right.
We gotta go, you guys. Thank you, Russell. Russell, thank you so much. All right.
Bye, Russell.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's go.
Great to have you guys.
Thank you.
No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand?
So it's been a few days since my Georgia trip, and it was actually kind of hard for me to vlog because I was trying to take in as much information as I can, and I love doing like training, product training, and getting to know more about a brand. That's just like, I don't know, is that weird? Like I love hearing like the backstory and the history. I just want to thank MTI and European Bath for inviting me to such an incredible trip, and their product selection at MTI is just amazing, especially if you are working on a renovation, you're building your dream home, you want to invest in your bathroom. And the one thing that stuck to me during their presentations was that they don't sell bathtubs, they sell bathing solutions. Now, what does that mean? They have different features that you can add into your bathtub that can solve a need for you, or if you're a designer, for your client. And let's say you're an athlete like me and you do a lot of sports, you could get the whirlpool function that does like really strong jets to massage your entire body after a workout, after a competition, or maybe you are just looking for relaxation and you go for the air bath that feels like a hot spring. So they have so much options on their website, which is super intuitive. You can customize different sizes, different finishes. We got to see how they make their acrylic bathtubs and their luxury boutique bathtub. Aside from bathtubs, MTI also offers custom sinks, vanities, benches, little table stools for your bathtubs, accessories. If you are doing a bathroom project, go ahead and check out all the links down below in the description box. You can also follow European Bath and MTI Bath on social. You guys know I'm partnering up with them, and if you mention my name with European Bath and you order a bathtub, you will get a really nice discount. Make sure you let me know in the comments which bathtub you can see matching my style. Do you like the Cascara that looks like a hard-boiled egg, very chic? Or do you like Juliet that has like that curved and organic shapes? Before you head out, go ahead and watch my Stop Buying These Rugs video. I share some rugs that I hate and 10 of my favorite styles. A lot of them are super affordable as well. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.